is for apple, shiny red apple. B is for banana, yummy yummy banana. C is for coconut. D is for dragon fruit. E is for eggplant. Did you know it's a fruit? F is for fig. G is for grapefruit. Sour, sour grapefruit. H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple. Ice apples are in India and Asia. J is for jujube. Healthy, healthy jujube. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. Sour, sour lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange, don't you love the juice? P is for pineapple. Eat a piece of pineapple. Q is for quince, cook it up with apples and it makes a good dessert. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. Sweet, sweet strawberry. T is for tomato, did you know it's a fruit? U is for ugly fruit. Don't call it ugly, that is mean. It's just a grapefruit, orange, and tangerine. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon. Yummy, yummy watermelon. X is for examina. Some call it monkey plum. Y is for yumberry. They are grown in China. Z is for zucchini. Always pick them when they are teeny. Hey kids! Today we are going to learn the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's do it together. What's the first letter in the alphabet? Do you know what the first letter is? That's right, it's A. A is for apple. Good job, kids! Let's keep going. What's the second letter in the alphabet? B. B is for boy. Great job, kids! Does anyone know what comes next? Shout it out! Fantastic! That's right, it's C. C is for crocodile. Good job! Now can you say all three? It's A, B, C. Good job! Let's keep going. Next comes E, and then comes E. E is for everyone, sing with me. A, B, C, D, E. You are good at this! Let's keep going. F is for friends who do stuff together. G is for great pals. H is for happy. Does this song make you happy? I is for ice cream. Do you like ice cream? What's your favorite kind of ice cream? Wow, that's mine too! J is for jump. And you jump up and down. Wow, you jump really high. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos like to jump too. L is for lion. King of the jungle. M is for mommy. Say I love you, mommy. N is for nap. We don't want to take a nap. Keep on singing. O is for octopus. P is for pizza. If you love pizza, say I do. R for right. Raise your right hand and wiggle it with might. S is for swimming. T is for train. What sound does a train make? Chugga, choo-choo. Good job, that was awesome. Let's keep going. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep you dry. V is very good. W is for winter. It snows in the winter. X is for xylophone. Make a funny sound. Y is for yo-yo, spinning all around. Is for zoo. That's all the letters now. What can we do? I know. Let's say them all at once. Start with A. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job today, everyone. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. A is for alligator. B is for butterfly. C is for cat, like a cute little kitty cat. D is for dog, like a fluffy little puppy dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog jumping on a log. G is for giraffe, tall, tall giraffe. H is for horse, happy horsey running really fast. I is for inchworm. J is for jaguar, jaguar. K is for kangaroo, hip-hop kangaroo. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M is for moose, there's a moose in the loose. N is for narwhal, narwhals, narwhals living in the ocean. O is for octopus. P is for panda, pretty, pretty panda. Q is for quail. R is for rattlesnake, stay away from rattlesnakes. S is for skunk, stinky, stinky skunk. T is for turtle, swim, swim, turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for viper, venomous viper. W is for whale, big, big whale. X is for x-ray, tetra, a fish you can see through, you betcha. Z is for zebra, Z, Z, zebra.